Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Six of Pentacles and Tower card. The Nine of Wands, King of Wands, Star, King of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom card, Ten of Pentacles. May completion na nangyari dito, 10-10. Maring karmic hardships or gumuho yung pundasyon na binuo nitong taong ito. So, meron tayong energy ng Aquarius. Kasi, maring nilagay ka nitong taong to in a third-party situation. Pinakstab ka niya, pinagtaksilan. For some of you, kasal kayo or may pamilya or may anak. Or nag-live-in. Yung kasal na lang ang kulang. And then, nag-cheat siya. Yan, with the Ten of Swords. Nag-juggling siya between you and another person. Kaya pili mo gumuho yung mundo mo. With the Tower card. Guarded and wounded ka na rito sa taong to. Parang ayaw mo na siya. Ayaw mo na siyang pabalikin, papasukin sa buhay mo. Maring this person is a karmic partner. Ang lakas ng karmic energy dito. So, tingnan natin. So, kung ito yung karmic cycle na nalampasan mo, congratulations. Kasi it's about completion. Graduate ka na. Yung pakiramdam na para nakagraduate ka na dito. Crystal Clear Intentions by Archangel Michael. Be clear about what you desire and focus upon it with unwavering faith. So, mag-focus ka na lang muna ron sa mga priority mo and parang distraction na lang to sa'yo eh. So, tingnan natin. Traffic lights. So, it's about the right time. Lighthouse to guide you in this right path for you. Doll and clover. Lantern. Letter. Teddy bear bottom card. So, maswerte ka kasi nakaligtas ka na dito eh. Nakaligtas ka na sa isang sitwasyon na kumbaga, save by the bell ka eh. Niligtas ka na sa sitwasyon na to na nag-cause ng a lot of tower moments in your life. So, it's about pagbangon. Nagsisimula ka ng bumangon sa pagkakadapa mo. Pero ang sinasabi din kasi dito, huwag mo nang gantihan kung sino man tong taong to na nakagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. Kasi maaari mag-bounce back din sa'yo yung gagawin mo. So, it's about moving forward. Kalimutan na yung mga dapat kalimutan. You're my twin flame waiting for you. I'm addicted to you and I want to protect you. So, ang focus mo na ngayon is to find your twin flame. So, maaaring from the past na ito na or nakilala mo na ito. Or paparating pa lang. Kasi, wag mo nang bigyan ng panahon itong karmic lessons na pinagdaanan mo. Kasi tapos ka na doon, graduate ka na doon. So, it's about a new journey to find your twin flame or your divine counterpart. Can't let you go, being defensive, caught in the middle, and business is business. So, maaaring itong karmic mo is in a relationship pa with someone else, kaya hindi ka na talaga pwedeng bumalik doon. I hate my pride and ego. You came closer than anyone. I know that I crossed the line with you. We will be together again. I left when I saw you with someone. Timing just wasn't right for us. My life is not as together as it seems. I want to tell you how I feel and I want you. So itong yung divine counterpart mo, kilala mo na siya, maring a person from the past na to, o ibig sabihin nakilala mo na to from the past. So hindi ibig sabihin nun naging kayo. Ayan, pero person from the past, ibig sabihin nakilala mo na siya. Can't stop thinking about you. Pero tanto hindi ka niya makalimutan. Lagi ka pa rin niya iniisip. Especially at night, hindi siya makatulog. So, maaari makareceive ka ng message, letter from this person. So, din na natin. Letter S. Q. R. D. Letter Z. N. T. G. C. X. All strings attached. Separation. Soulmate. So, yan o. Your soulmate is waiting for you. Hinihintay ka na nitong soulmate mo na magtagpo, maring this year. Tingnan natin general signs and messages. South PH, Beach, Crazy for You, Selfieholic. So, tinabi niya yung mga pictures mo. Gemini, 7, Private Person, April, Full of Charisma, Flirtatious, Birthmark, Past Person, North PH, December, Rainy Season, June, Gorgeous, Divine Masculine, Province, November, October, Perfect Smile, Future Lover, 9, Funny, and Emotional. So yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.